Hi guys, T-Code here. In this video I am creating a mobile application using Flutter and UI toolkit created by Google. Okay. First of all, what is Flutter? Flutter is Google's UI toolkit for building beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, desktop, and embedded devices from a single codebase. Widget is the main component of Flutter for building beautiful UI for application. And in the other side, Flutter only understand Dart language. Dart is an object-oriented class-based programming language, which is similar to other programming languages. Okay, then let's build it. Open your favorite code editor, which is Flutter plugin is installed. Now, locate the main.dart file in project directory. You can see a counter program, which is provided by Flutter team. I am erasing this program and writing from scratch. So, Dart language is class-based programming language, so if you don't know what is class and objects, I will be giving the document link in description, just check it out. For creating a class, first, type class and followed by class name. Okay, now I created a simple class. For creating or designing the UI of app, we need buttons, text box, list view, and so on. So in Flutter, they are called widgets. For creating or deploying widgets, we need state. In Flutter, state gives the direction to widgets, that's how it should be. So let's inherit the class from Flutter, called stateless widgets. For using this class, we need to import a package called material.dart. Now, my class is showing an error, so let's see what is that error is. The stateless widget class is required to me deploy build method function. Build method describes the UI of an application of different widgets. Normally, it will build This build method is required to return the widgets, so I am returning a material app widget. It used for designing the app, so this material app widgets consists of many properties. You can see by pressing Ctrl plus space. OK. I am picking home property from it, so now we got power of designing the app using widgets. Let's add text widget, so this text widget need text, so let's give a text and covered by single colon. Okay, for getting the output of this code, we need main function. Let's create non-return main function. Just type run app, and inside of it give your class name, and also change the class name in widget test.dart file. Now let's start the Android emulator for seeing the output. Now, we created the app using Flutter UI toolkit. Thanks for watching.